Is that bad? Hola.
Hola. ¿Habla español?
Inglés.
Where are you from?
America.
America.
Uh-huh.
You live in here?
I don't live here. I'm biking.
Okay.
I'm camping right here.
You have a lighter?
A lighter? No, I don't.
Okay.
Oh, sorry about that, man.
You have to like surf
The what?
You like surf
No, no. No, thanks. What the fuck? Damn. Damn. This is what they use in the spaceships.
Yeah.
So what am I making right now? I honestly can't really tell you. Oh, excuse me. I didn't mean to burp during oh Jesus. Look, I'm sorry guys. I messed up the whole intro. I'm just gonna delete it. I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, well we're in Barcelona, cool. Step one, find a taxi.
You are in California. You working or students?
Students.
University.
Harvard.
No. Not quite.
I know.
No.
Look at this bougie ass. This is bouge, 100%. Is maximum bouges. This sure beats like Vietnamese hostels. So this trip had a lot of uncertainties in it. We didn't set up a bike in advance. You know, we didn't bring one with us. The plan was to get a bike there. So, you know, how do you go and do that? You know, this is a foreign country. They barely use Craigslist over there. I got 2 words: Facebook Marketplace, baby. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. You anywhere in the world you can buy something off Facebook Marketplace. It's you know, it's a pretty evil company, don't get me wrong, but man, it has its uses every now and then. So I bought a bike at a bike rental shop. They're just kind of like selling an older bike that they fixed up and they didn't want to rent out, so I got it. It was like 150 euros. It's actually pretty cool. It's like this classic old road bike, and you know, it was definitely capable of going over the Rif Mountains. But we still had to get a Ikela bike, and we also had to find a way to put on bike racks on a bike that I wasn't even sure could put on bike racks. So that was kind of risky, but that's what you do, I guess. Maybe I could have researched more. By the way, I know nothing about bikes. The fact that I did this is kind of crazy, because I mean, I haven't even changed a flat tire, and I got 2 of them on this trip. So I mean, well, you'll see. Luckily enough, I found another bike, also in a bike rental shop, and they were selling 2 bikes actually. They were selling this really light road bike for about 200 euro, and this kind of like beach cruiser with like skinnier tires for 120 euro. Ikela got the beach cruiser. So yeah, I mean, that's how that goes. I'll get, you know, there was a small consequence or two from that, but you know, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. So now that we had 2 bikes, we had to get 2 bike racks as well. Lucky enough, Ikela's bike actually came with a bike rack pretty much, so he didn't really have to get one, but I still had to find one. Lucky enough for me though, there was a store called Decathlon. It's pretty much all over the place in Spain, and it has pretty cheap prices. Imagine like REI, but like price cut in like half, and that's pretty much what it is. A little story time for you guys involving my trip there. I was standing in line, and some guy comes up to me and starts speaking Spanish. And I honestly I don't know what I was trying to say, but what came out was te amo. And that what that means is I love you. So I pretty much just told a dude in the Decathlon that I loved him. And I hope he takes that seriously, because I don't tell that to very many people. So I hope he really appreciates that, okay?
Buenas noches, buenas noches.
No, we do that sometimes.
Bag up, bag on, rolling out.
Sometimes you gotta stunt
Yeah,
on these hoes.
yeah.
One on these hoes.
Oh, killing the game. For the vine, bro.
Keep moving. Don't stop immediately, because I'll hit you.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Whatever you. Oh, it drips every time I lean down. Apart from Ikela looking like he had only about 3 more days to live, I think I was feeling pretty cool. I thought it'd be fine, although I didn't really know what to expect. Obviously, I've never been to Africa before, and I definitely haven't rode a bike through anything like this before, so, you know, who knew what was coming up? Here's a little tip for the average Joe. If you want to make your video look uber cinematic, all you have to do is add a black bar to the top and bottom and just play it at 50% speed, and that's it. It depends on which gear. I can't give you an answer off the top of my head, but the bigger gear on the back, oh yeah, yes I can. The bigger gear on the back is better for going up hills. In the big gear up front, it's opposite. The smaller the better. I ain't trying to climb all the way to the top of the hill.
I mean, I can only get car directions on my phone offline.
Yeah.
But we can look. Yeah, it looks like we have to climb to the top of this hill. Yeah, just check it. Now we gotta go all the way up and then go down.
For sure. That part's gonna be tricky.
Yes, I hope there's side roads. Oh, Jesus, I'm already almost out of water. We're not even quarter way.
Yep. It's gonna be a trip, dude. That's going to be the craziest thing in Morocco is water.
Okay. Well, don't have much time to lose.
So if you didn't pick up on this, we were running pretty late. We found a metro to take us all the way to the airport, but first we had to get there, and I decided to just film my legs because I'm smart. So I'm just going to skip all of this.
Yes, we are definitely going to be cutting it close.
Yeah.
Train to Aeroport Terminal 1.
God, there's so much weight on the back.
Yeah, dude.
Yo, what's up? We're just on our way to Morocco.
Scusi. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Right there.